Safety is our priority when handling construction materials. We'll guide you through the essential personal protective equipment recommended for working with Phoscrete products. Keep in mind to consult with your local authority for any additional PPE requirements. Let's start from the top and work our way down. First, a hard hat to protect against impacts and falling debris. Safety glasses to shield your eyes from dust and splashes. A face or filtration mask that reduces the inhalation of dust and particles. Wear a reflective vest for visibility and safety on site. Nitrile-coated gloves recommended for working with Phoscrete materials. Reflective pants to help enhance visibility. Finally, steel or carbon toe boots protect your feet from falling objects and rough terrain. While Phoscrete suggests these PPE items for optimal safety, it's crucial for contractors to comply with the local authority regulations on the specific PPE required for the job at hand. Be informed. Be prepared. Be safe. Thank you for choosing Phoscrete for reliable and durable concrete repairs.